Hello everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. So here we'll be doing an install of the MK8 GTI fog light tint. And pretty well it's the same process like always. We want to make sure that this whole area is nice and clean. And what you want to do is you want to spray onto a microfiber cloth and then you want to clean. You don't want to spray liquid directly here because then it's going to remain inside the creases here. So again, spray onto a microfiber cloth, clean out as much dirt as you can, make sure the lens is nice and clean. Then what you're going to do is take an alcohol wipe and you can put it to a tip of a micro squeegee. If you don't have one, you can get it from our website. You're going to take that alcohol wipe and you're going to kind of get right inside in between the areas that, as you can see, right down on the bottom side and a little bit of the top edge too. So that's what you want to do to prep it for the badge skin. And then after that, you make sure it's nice and dry. So the badge skin kit looks like this. So it's very basic. This is going to be for the right hand side. As you can see, there's an R here and everything's labeled middle, bottom left, bottom right, top left. So I'll demonstrate how to install right now. I'll do a top left right here. So what you're going to do is just remove the badge skin from the backing like this. So here we are. This is top left. And it's pretty simple. You're gonna take the tab and you wanna make sure that it's facing down. And we're just gonna give it a little curl like this so that you can handle it easier so it doesn't flap around on you. So what you're gonna do is you wanna line up this edge and the top. So you're gonna start by inserting this in like this. Wanna make sure that this corner and this edge is lined up. The top and this edge. And if you see that you're a little off, you can always pull off. Once you got it lined up the way you want, you can start squeegeeing it down with a micro squeegee. You want to go from center out. Just remember that. And you can just tuck it right underneath the cowling there. And we're just going to continue all the way through, even through the bottom, like this. Once it's all the way tacked down, you can start peeling off the masking like this with the tab that's left. Just like that. The process is the same for the rest of them, so it's pretty easy, but it just takes a little bit of time and patience.